Alright guys, today I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe. So I got some soup, vegetables I'm going to throw in there. I got some canned tomatoes, I got broth, I got ground turkey there, I can throw an onion in there. So I'm going to cook it up and make some soup out of it. I'm going to add some rice to it as well, so make it a little bit thicker. And yeah, so I'm going to get that all set up, so stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so as you can see I seasoned it really well this time. Last time I made something like this I didn't season enough, so this time I'm going to make sure it's seasoned really well. Alright, now it's all ready to go guys. I'm gonna put it on the soup button, and then I'll be back when it's ready. I'll do a quick taste test. Stay tuned guys. It's all done, so we'll do a quick taste test. We'll get some broth here. There you go. Ooh, it's much better. This one has way more seasoning than the last one I made, and I added extra seasoning in this one to make sure. So this one's flavor is actually really good. It's got the tomato zing to it, and then you got the vegetables that go well with it. So yeah, definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.